is that he's totally unpredictable. I just bought something so cool. Just so gonna turn right. Boom! He turns left. It's a sound effects blaster, and it's insanely loud. Here, I'll set it to, siren. Look, one time, Drake was supposed to order me a chicken breast, but instead he ordered me... What the... Man, can you believe how loud this thing... Oh, here comes Josh. What was that? What? That siren! I didn't hear a siren. Okay. All right, let's see what other sounds this thing can make. All right, we've got building exploding, car crashing, fat lady screaming. Anyway, what was I talking about? Ooh, rapid firecrackers. Just when you think Drake's gonna do one thing, he just totally different. How great is this thing? Okay, let's hear that fat lady scream. Oh, Josh, coming back. What was it? Oh, dude, I don't know what you mean. Oh, come on! You didn't hear those firecrackers? Well, it sounded like they were coming from the... Yeah, we should get the